नमस्ते जी, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आप सब कैसे हैं? आई वेलकम यू इन योर हिंदी लर्निंग जर्नी in the learning of this beautiful language Hindi. So, in this class, we will see all the words. I tried to take almost all the words that start with a sound in Hindi we use in our regular life. Okay, so if you didn't subscribe our channel, just go and subscribe first, then watch the video and as a homework what you can do, you can make some simple sentences using all these words to practice. Okay, so let's start. शुरू करते हैं. So here as I told you the sound a, we call it vowel, swar a. So aank, the word aank, that means eye. Then aankheं dikhana, this is very angry phrase. So aankheं dikhana is to look angrily. When we see someone, we look someone angrily, we say that aankheं dikhana. So if someone is looking at me angrily, I will say aankheं क्यों दिखा रहे हो? Why are you looking at me angrily? Then akash, that means sky. Then akhir, the end. Akhir, the end. Or we also can say this word ant. Then in the end, that is akhir mein, at the end, in the end, akhir mein. Then आग, fire. आग का रंग कैसा है? What is the color of आग? Would you like to write me in the comment box? Then आगे. In every class I used to tell my student about this. आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे, like up down, ऊपर नीचे, आगे पीछे, ahead and behind. So ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे, and here I took just आगे, that means ahead and sometime later as well. Then आगे चलकर, we use this kind of phrase in our day to day talks, like आगे चलकर means in future. आगे चलकर क्या होगा? What will happen in future? आगे चलकर क्या होगा? Then आज, you know this, I know. आज is today. आजकल, that means nowadays or these days, that means आजकल. There is a movie in Bollywood cinema that is Love Aajkal, means love these days, love nowadays. Then auto, that is auto rickshaw, we call it just auto. So will you tell me what we will say to the auto driver? There is a word, very beautiful word. How will you say? Please write me in the comment box. Then art, that is 8. Aatho Peher. There is one song in Bollywood cinema related to this as well. You can find and write me in comment box. So Aatho Peher means all the day. All the day. Someday I will explain why this is called so. Then Atmiyata se. So this word is very fancy Hindi word, like advanced level Hindi word, that is like cordially. Then Admi, man or person. Adha, like adha gilas pani, half glass water. So adha means half, just half. Adha dil, oh my god, where is half heart? Adhi raat. So it is just like half night, but in English this is midnight. So midnight is adhi raat. Will you tell me how we will say midday? Then Anand. Again this is a fancy word. Anand, that means joy, enjoy. Anand. वाह, बहुत आनंद आ रहा है. I'm enjoying, I'm having joy. Anand ana, to feel enjoyment. Anand ana, to feel enjoyment. So as I told you, बहुत आनंद आ रहा है. I'm feeling a lot of enjoyment. Then Ana is to come. This is a verb actually. Ana, that is to come. Will you tell me any sentence related to this verb? Like I come from office at 7 o'clock. Write in the comment box. Then aap means you. Yes, you, all of my viewers, just subscribe the channel. Aap, you. Then aapka, yours. Yes, this is your own YouTube channel. You should subscribe it. Aapka, yours. Then beach mein is in between. Then abadi, that is population. Abadi, also called Jansankhya. 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 Then aam, oh, this is mango season in India. ये इंडिया में मैंगो सीजन है. सो आम इज मैंगो. देन आमतौर पर दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी यूजफुल वर्ड फॉर डे टू डे हिंदी. दैट इज यूजली, नॉर्मली, दैट मीन्स आमतौर पर. सो यूजली आई गेट अप एट 5 o'clock. आमतौर पर मैं 5 बजे उठती हूँ. और आप, एंड यू. Arambh, again very fancy word. Arambh, that is beginning. Arambh. Or in simple word, we also can say it shuruat. SHURUAAT. Shuruat. Then आराम. Oh my God, everyone likes it. सबको पसंद है आराम. So rest or comfort is आराम. And as a verb, आराम is like to rest, आराम करना. So मुझे आराम करना पसंद है. I like to rest. To rest. Oh, again, as I was telling you, to rest as a verb means आराम करना. So मुझे आराम करना पसंद है. और आपको? And you? Then comfortably, like me. मेरी तरह आई एम टीचिंग यू हियर कंफर्टेबली. आराम से. देन आर्थिक. दैट इज फैंसी वर्ड. फाइनेंशियल मीन्स आर्थिक. आलसी. ओ, मैं आलसी नहीं हूँ. आई एम नॉट लेजी. आलसी इज लेजी. आप आलसी हैं? अगर आप आलसी नहीं हैं, इफ यू आर नॉट लेजी, जस्ट सब्सक्राइब right now and like also. Why are you just not subscribing, not sharing and not liking the channel? Avashyakta, that is necessity. Avashyakta, necessity. Avashyakta. Then awaz, voice or sound. There is a song in Bollywood, आवाज दो हमको, हम सो गए, नहीं, खो गए. So you will find it, you can find it on Google or YouTube. आवाज, sound or voice. Then आशा, hope. मुझे आशा है आप चैनल सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. I hope you will subscribe the channel. आशा. Then आश्चर्य, surprise. Surprise. Then आश्चर्यजनक, astonishing. आश्चर्यजनक, astonishing. आसान, easy. हिंदी बहुत आसान है. हिंदी is very easy. Then आसानी से, easily. So here one bonus point is this. When we usually use adverb of manner, if we put the word say with any word, most of the time, some exceptions are also there. So if you put say, that will become adverb of manner. Like आराम से, आसानी से, easily is आसानी से, or comfortably means आराम से. So that's all about this video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like also, and write all the answers in comment box as well. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जल्दी मिलेंगे. नमस्ते जी.